Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Selden Middle School, home of the Wolverines in Centereach, New York. This is my first visit to their campus and a very, very special one. This is actually my 13th state this school year and first time in New York for 2024-2025. Just a tremendous day. I had 3 separate assemblies in the main auditorium and the other side of the building, one for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th, the students and staff. And today's focus was on bullying. Look at the heart first. And we know that our heart's as big as our fist. We can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn that into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other one's someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action, 2 seconds. We can do or say something so kind that we can uplift someone as high as the clouds. It stays on their heart in a positive way for the rest of their life. Or conversely, say something so negative, it stays on their heart in a very destructive way for the rest of their life. And so we know we have the opportunity to potentially change a heart forever, maybe even save a life. We know that we have to be all in for this planet. And I talk about bullying being something that's repeated over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, but the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words, can still have the same impact, right? The same effect. So we know that we can either build up or we can bring down. Hopefully we choose to, rise, because we rise by lifting others. And when we're talking about looking at the heart first, it's being able to see someone for who they truly are. That if we were able to see everybody around us like you see your best friend, bullying doesn't even happen, right? Because all that you're focused on is, seeing who this person truly is. And the outer differences, the things that so many times separate us or are reasons that we might mistreat someone else or not show kindness, those can be ways and opportunities for us to grow, right? To learn from each other and to really support each other. I talk about one of the biggest reasons that bullying happens is that hurt people, right? It's easy to push that pain on someone else. It's hard to forgive and rise above that and still show love. But it's so needed in today's world that we need to show that extra kindness to those around us and to ourselves. And that means not just looking at someone's heart first, but also seeing ourselves and others for this too. All of us with the lines on our hands have letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. And I bring this up in all my assemblies, every presentation I give. And that M stands for miracle, right? Like the front of my shirt, upside down W is for Wolverines. Just kidding. It's for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to, have that self-value first and that self-love before we can go and give it to someone else, before we can become those healed people that heal other people. And it's so encouraging. A lot of the feedback that I've gotten from some of the students, some of the teachers, it really touched their heart. I said, well, if it did, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. And if I can touch your heart, in under an hour, this guy from Metro Detroit, Michigan, over 10 hours away in a car can, have that impact on you in about 30, 40 minutes time. Think about the difference you can make in someone's life for the rest of the school year and beyond if you keep your hearts open to that love. And that's what we're really trying to push here. I love all across the school, it says, it's always better to be seen here at Selden Middle School. And sometimes that's what people, that's the thing that they're craving, is just to be seen. And to be able to have our heart open to know when someone around us might be hurting, when they, need that extra support, need that extra friendship, we can be those friends, right? Be those best friends and really try to encourage one another, right? Respect one another and really just hopefully keep lifting each other up higher and higher each day. So thanks for touching my heart. It's great to meet all of you for our first time. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year, and feel free to hit the subscribe button to see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.